And another news, Senate Committee on Finance Chair Senator J.V. Ejercito vowed no leadership fund and last-minute insertions or amendments on the proposed national budget for next year. This following the statement made by former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan in connection with leadership funds, leading a lawmaker to call the 19th Congress for confirmation. Bernard Ferrer tells us more.
Senate Committee on Finance Chairperson Senator J.V. Ejercito vowed not to allow the leadership fund to be included in the 7.2 trillion peso proposed national budget for 2027.
Usap kami ni Sen. Win dahil siya po ang si SP Win, siyang financier na aking susundan. As far as he is concerned, walang ganun, no? Mula nung siya ay finance chair. At pagpapatuloy ko yun, even the reforms that he has started.
Ejercito said he would implement reforms to ensure that government funds are allocated to projects with clear public benefits. The senator also vowed to block any last-minute insertions or amendments during the bicameral conference committee deliberations.
No more amendments or insertions during BICAM. Mangyayari lang yung amendments or insertions during plenary sa budget deliberations mismo. Pag meron hong pangangailangan, may kulang, tingin yung ahensya o mga local, do it on the floor.
Ejercito also promised a more transparent process in the review of the national budget. He clarified that filing amendments is part of their duty as legislators. However, he stressed that these amendments should focus on the public interest, such as strengthening healthcare and other essential programs. Meanwhile, Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson renewed his call to abolish the leadership fund or allocables.
Hindi dapat paki-dip ng fingers yung mga congressmen, mga senators sa budget preparation because that is within the domain of the executive down to the local levels, mga LGUs. Dapat walang pakialam. Ang pakialam ng congressmen and senators doon sa tinatawag na authorization phase.
Based on the affidavit of former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, 500 million pesos per district was allegedly allocated, while 120 million pesos was allocated to each party list from 2023 to 2024, which was increased to 150 million pesos in 2025.
Ito po mga detalye na ito, very important ho na bigyan ho ng further details no, ni Secretary Bonoan kasi siya naman ho yung nagbulalas nito pong bagay na ito, not just for the House, but also for the Senate.
Ridon said the leadership of the 19th Congress should be asked to confirm the claims of Bonoan's affidavit.
Una, confirm whether there is a leadership fund. No? If there is, what are these particular line items? No? And if you see the line items, was it implemented? No? If it is implemented, tama ba yung implementation? Were the ghost projects? Are these sufficiently completed projects or are these substandard projects? No? So we leave it to the Ombudsman to make further inquiries on the matter po.
As to how the House House of Representatives approached the budget into 2025, nakita na niyo mo po na nakalatag po yung live stream, yung ating pagbabudget. These are the reform that we have instituted para po mas klaro and mas transparent yung naging pagbabalangkas ng mga pondo ng ating taong bayan.
Meanwhile, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. said he was unaware of Bonoan's revelation before the Sandigan Bayan that the agency allegedly allocated at least 500 million pesos in leadership funds for each senator. Up to 1 billion pesos was also allegedly allocated to the chairmen of key Senate committees for infrastructure projects identified by lawmakers in 2024 and 2025.
Kung alam ng Pangulo, hindi yung mangyayari yan. Diba? Parang teacher. Kapag kayo'y nangopya, ipapaalam niyo ba sa teacher niyo? Kapag nahuli kayo ng teacher, anong gagawin ng teacher? Eh di ba, bibigyan kayo ng penalty? So, gano'n lang. Kung alam ng Pangulo yan, hindi niya yan ito-tolerate at hindi yan mangyayari. Pero mga ganito kasing usapan, minsan, lihim.
Malacanang assured the public that such abuses in the use of government funds would not be allowed to happen again.
No leadership fund under 2027 budget. All projects proposed in the 2027 DPWH budget are based on needs of the local and regional governments.
Bernard Ferrer for The Nation.